Hello, my name is Jeff Jervis. I'm one of the co-founders and the CEO of Mintico Car Wash. Before we begin today, I ask that you did what we did when we started this company and throw away all of your preconceived notions about what a car wash is. At Mintico Car Wash, our tagline is a fresh approach to washing cars, and we hope this video shows you just that. For example, I bet you didn't think that I was sitting at a car wash right now. Thank you for taking the time to hear about our fresh approach to washing cars. I hope that you can take some time and come visit one of our sites and see it for yourself.